Welcome to DelphStack. Today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS that shows bitrate too low. First, check your internet speed. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to LAN. Then go to your OBS settings, open the video section, and move the resolution to 720p. Reduce the FPS from 60 to 30 for better stability. Then go to the output section and change the streaming settings from advanced to simple. Set your bitrate, but keep it within your internet limit. For example, use 2500 to 6000 kbps for 1080p streaming. You can set it between 2500 and 6000 kbps, depending on your upload speed. If you are using X264, switch to NVENCE or AMD, depending on your graphics card. You can also enable dynamic bitrate if it is available. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.